this. I'm going after Raker. Don't follow.
What? Gamora!
Trust me, Peter!
Uh-oh. We got another scut ton of goons coming our way.
Crush him, Drax! It's going to be tricky without Gamora! You will return! Time for the big guns!
Can't believe she just ran off.
She knows what she's doing! I hope. Where is the assassin? She'll catch up! I hope. Keep some breathing room, Groot! Your magic will not save them, wizard!
Put a target on him!
Our blows seem insignificant! Branch out, Groot! You're up, big guy! Welcome, death! Guys, let's fire some time!
That woman is nuts! Mind freaks making his body stronger!
Our enemies grow stronger! We gotta get through these guys!
I'll make some holes! Ain't nothing getting through! No time to get distracted! We're gonna be late!
Not if I can help it! Beware! That one grows stronger!
Yeah, well, that makes him a target in my books.
The blockhead's amping up his What are these lights obscuring my vision? Rocket! Go up! Right with you, big guy! I will end you! Going to be tricky without Gamora!
What did you expect from an assassin?
Where is the assassin? She'll catch up, I hope. This is infuriating! He will not bend! Guys, let's buy her some time! What will that accomplish?
We got close to the Grand Unicorn again! He's gonna...
Guys, huddle up! Yes! Celebrate this moment, my friends! Victory shall soon be ours! I am Groot. They shall carve our name in the history books, Peter Quill, and it will not be spelled incorrectly! Look, I know we want to celebrate because we're maybe 2 steps away from winning this fight. But if we start dancing before we actually win, these scut holes will send us to our graves. So let's keep our focus and show these losers exactly how we rock. Who's with me? Die, fiends!
Oh, yeah!
Going to be tricky without Gamora! You will return!
Hey, Quill! Wanna see some fireworks?
Peter Quill, unleash me onto these fools!
You know, we've got a big story here. A lot of people would probably pay a lot of money for the inside scoop.
I am Groot.
Of course they need to know, but that don't mean we can't make some units in the process. We earned them.
Groot, do your thing.
I am Groot.
Yeah, what happens if Gamora don't catch up? Once they realize we're on the Milano, they'll throw everything they got at us.
I will not leave hope.
Flark, how's that thing still dogging us?
Run! Go! Ah!
I hate everything in this ship!
Go, go, go!
I only got little legs!
Lift your feet, Peter Quill! These boots are heavy, okay?
Jump!
What?
Jump! We need to keep moving forward, Quill!
Make like a tree!
I shall break their bones!
Too many of them! Take the elevator!
These deluded souls do not know when to quit!
Zap! I love playing Zappazealot!
Some that weirdos deserve it! Quill! What? Quill! Stop wasting time!
Come on! Everybody get in here!
The Milano should get here any tick now.
Should?
Yeah, well, it's the best I can do. And our window to meet her is getting smaller.
You know they're gonna open fire as soon as they detect her.
Yeah, I've got her running silent. But who knows what kind of sense this breaker has on this thing.
Lob it at him, big guy!
Well, I have rescued you!
I was almost cooked there! Thanks, Big D! Throw that, Drax!
Best believe
said,
could not
keep
save
punching
him
their
from
sky
death!
lights out!
Pause it! Lock and load, Rocket! Let's see those brands! Toss them around!
Make your peace!
You owe me one, Quill!
Oh, thanks, buddy! That's how it's done! We can't keep outrunning the whole army! We've got to cut them off or we're gonna die here!
I got an idea. Maybe I can overload these batteries. Make this part of the ship go boom.
How big of a boom are we talking about?
Can't wait to find out. Keep them busy while I rig this place. Here come the creeps. I need time, Quill. Keeping the flark off my tail. Sounds like a lot of flark and gunfire.
There is much noise! You struggle in vain! Why do I feel
This is about survival, Drax! Feels like I've been shooting that big buck for hours!
Things built up. We need to really pile it on. I got this, Groot. Help the rest of them.
We must strike the large one with more force!
Oh, you, Drax! Groot, you're up! Let's buy Rocket some time!
Listen to that man if you want to live.
I'm really missing Gamora right now!
I'm telling you, she just ain't a team player.
Says the guy who just rejoined the team after ditching us.
This battle must end!
Working on it. Watch your butts.
Rocket! Should we be shooting this close to these things? keep outrunning the whole army, we've got to cut them off or we're gonna die here.
I got an idea. Maybe I can overload these batteries, make this part of the ship go boom.
How big of a boom are we talking about?
Can't wait to find out. Keep them busy while I rig this place. Here come the creeps. I need time, Quill. Keeping the flark off my tail.
Give it up! Send it their way, Drax!
Best option.
Launch it, Drax! Bomb it at him, big guy!
Because you're hungover or something.
More cultists arrive for us to kill! Ah! The mechanical beast is running out of
I'm
limbs!
really missing Gamora right now.
I'm telling you, she just ain't a team player.
Says the guy who just rejoined the team after ditching us. Man, that giant robot can take a lot of pain!
Things built up. We need to really pile it on.
Rocket, how's it going?
Don't distract me when I'm paw deep in explosives.
And ready!
Rocket! Should we be shooting this close to these things?
Good question. In theory, we probably won't blow up.
This adversary is well fortified! I have a sweet
Drax with the
armor!
assist!
I got this, Groot. Help the rest of them. I hear way too much shooting.
Don't worry about it! Most of it's fine! Feels like I've been shooting that big butt for hours!
Things built up. We need to really pile it on. Ouch! That's gotta hurt. Okay, this one's set. Keep the loonies busy while I rig the next one.
I don't know if we can keep this up!
You have to!
Do you guys give up yet?
Like it's gonna be that easy.
These
Another
deluded souls do
cultist.
not know when to quit!
Another one down! Don't want to rush you,
Hey,
but...
stop rushing me!
Rocket! Should we be shooting this close to these things?
Good question. In theory, we probably won't blow up. Good call, Groot. Don't shoot the ones that are just gonna serve it back harder. Right! That floating freak's mixing up the rest! Flark! Quill, I swear to Scott, if you let them shoot me in the ass,
Don't worry, we've got you covered, man.
sure don't feel like it!
I am trying to destroy!
I was just trying to wake him up.
Zonked out weirdos deserve it!
This battle must end!
Focus on running interference.
Don't shoot! That one's throwing back face blasts!
Oh, man. Rocket!
Canaria loves surprises!
Ha ha ha! This is better than I thought!
Sounds good, man, but get it done! No fair! He's boosting everyone but us!
We must eliminate their medicinal conduit! Prepare for pain!
He's open! Go to town on him, big guy!
All right! Let's keep him off Rocket!
Perhaps they will not even notice his tiny body!
Don't let it shake you! We're taking care of it! Rocket! Should we be shooting this close to these things?
Good question! In theory, it probably won't blow up!
Our foes laugh as their shaman compels them!
Why couldn't they have used one of the 242 programming languages I know? Okay, they're set to blow! We need to get the Flark out of here!
How much time do we have?
I might have overdone it. Run!
No! No! Rocky, where's our...
Move!
crap! Where does this go?
Out!
Out where?
Outside!